How to export your Shopify store. So I am on the admin page of Shopify here, and we want to use the search bar to search for Duplify, spelled like so. Here we will search for Duplify in the Shopify App Store, and we want to get this application here, Duplify, duplicate your store, export and copy data in one click. So just click on install here, and it will obviously ask us for permission to install. So we just gotta grant it permission here by clicking on install, and I'll walk you through this application and how it works. So once we have this installed, then if we want to export our Shopify store, you will see this two options. I want to export data out, or I want to export data to the store. We are going to click on export data out. So just click on start export here, and it's going to look like this. So we will need to input the destination store unique key here in this section. You can find it by clicking on where do I find this. We will need to input the store name and a notification here. So you will need to have access to both Shopify stores here that you want to export to. And then you will choose the export options here. So we can export all of these. So meta fields, products, collections, customers, all of this here. And then we will choose the plan as the last step here, and then we can completely export our Shopify store to a new store. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.